Love you, girl, I carry on so elegant when you dress, you're the best by far. You look so smooth and looking so sexy, girl. Why don't you sit right beside me? Scoot down there.
We just got here to the Polyfest. Took us an hour to get a park, but we made it. We're here. So now we gotta deal with the long walk. We gotta walk all the way up to where it is actually at. So yeah, let's go.
The world felt like the top, yeah. Now we can escalate. Seems like we are already determining our fate. Yes, no. Hey, love season is in progress. God, don't stress. Love's like a furnace on fire. Not the average climax, still get higher. So what you say, love season?
Western Springs. Coming up to the entrance now. Pasifika.
Not the average climax, still get higher. So what you say? Go ahead and relax, babe. Time to take it slow. Time to wind down and let your hair.
Come on stage as we enter entrance B.
Kissing sheets is missing, babe. All up on the bed, the floor, the bath, or even by the books, by the front door. Yes, and when it's cold outside, I can be your fire. And when it gets too hot for you, girl, I'm going down, 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 yes. But body.
Here we is at the Fijian stage, Hawaii, and so forth.
Okay, children, I've got a whole lot more goodies to give away as well, but you gotta know a whole lot about Fiji if you want to win a prize, okay?
So yeah, Auckland has the biggest population of Pacific in the world currently. Well, you see it for yourself. Pretty diverse too. I think these guys just want to go check out the food. Should be some nice feeds. We'll check it out as well.
And she asks how you doing. Well, and the rest is magical in the air. And we sing a song that sounds like this here.
We're the sound on stage right now. Pretty pumping.
Not the average climax, still get higher. So what you say, love season is in progress. Girl, don't stress. Love's like a furnace on fire. Not the average climax, still get higher. So what you say, love season is in progress. Girl, don't stress. Love's like a furnace on fire. Not the average climax, still get higher. So what you say?
Soldiers in the yard. name is Dawn now. Lion rising to this world way back in 03. 685th with a little bit of Solomon. Born in South Oakland, but brought up in Monghead. I've always been an honest kid, cause I'm from a place. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are buying food and drinks and everything, please head on down, come on down in front of Samoan stage, enjoy a bit of entertainment all the way until 5:30. All right.
So that's it for today. Festival's coming to a close. Pasifika on a Saturday, still tomorrow, Sunday. And that's it for today. Everybody's about to head on home. Catch up next time. Peace.
Yes! This one's for all the little ragamuffin girls in all the dance. Hold tight. Special request for all the beautiful daughters in the dance. You know you are the queen in the dance. Malone Company, move ya!
Sweet reggae woman, always on my mind. Whenever you come around, you looking so fine. Sweet reggae woman, please give me one chance. my love. My heart is just too soft for you to hurt. Oh, baby.
Watch it. Love only you, girl. Yes, I do, girl. And you know it's true, girl. And if you do too, girl, then follow me and we can have some fun. Under this one, make you my number one. Sweet like candy. Your love is so tasty.
Whoa, so baby, baby, sweet reggae woman, always on my mind. Whenever you come around, you looking so fine. Oh, my baby, baby, sweet reggae woman, please give me one chance. I see you skanking, I just want